Hi everyone, I'm Akash Makan Biradar. Uh, Today's date is 29 December 2021, and my today's topic is also immutable strings in Java, or why strings are immutable in Java. First of all, what is string? String is a sequence of characters. It is a sequence of characters, but it's not a character array. For example, string yes is equal to in double quote welcome. Here uh, welcome is literals, yes is variable, and there is string. We can declare string by two way. One is by string literal and another one is by string him by new keyword. Now by new keyword, string s1 is equal to new string, and in double quote welcome. Here yes is object, and here we are creating new object of that string. Now uh, why strings are immutable in Java? Because string objects are immutable. Immutable here means we cannot change, we cannot modify, or we cannot change the value of string. It means strings are immutable. It means we cannot change the value of it, or we cannot modify it, or we cannot change it. Once the string object is created, then its data or state can't be changed, but new string object is created. Now here string is unavoidable type of variable while writing in any application program, because string is most common used in daily application program. Now for usernames, passwords, or different attributes, string is used. Now let's understand why string is immutable. Now string is immutable because when we create the string by name Akash, and there are also different objects of it. Here in string, by one concept or by to one literal, there are number of reference variable should be there, and if one reference variable changes the value of object, it will be affected by all the reference variables of others. That's why the strings are immutable in Java. Now it's let's take example and check it. If I take if I create string s1 is equal to new string Akash. Here Akash is stored in heap memory, and the pointer yes is also pointed in heap memory to Akash, but uh, JVM creates its copy and it also stores in SCP. Here in SCP there is no reference variable, but JVM gives it internally reference variable, but practically there is no reference variable in SCP, and only in heap memory there is a reference. Now if I again created a string s1 is equal to in double quote Akash, then here a JVM first compare the Akash is present in SCP or not. If the Akash is present in SCP, then it's only gives the pointer to that Akash. It means it only gives s1 to the Akash. It not create double. There in SCP there will be no duplicate. There will be no duplicate of literals or duplicate of object. Here only a pointer or reference pointer to gives the Akash. If I created another string, then string s2 is equal to Akash, then also the pointer s2 is equal to Akash. Here in SCP, the one is one object there, one means one Akash is there, but it has two references, s1 and s2. If I for some reason in future, if I want to change the s1 the s1, then if I change s1, but the references, there are two references in SAP for same name Akash, so if I change one, it will affect to s2 also. That's why strings are mutable in nature. There are some features of string uh, which makes the strings object immutable. The one is class loader, the another is security, the third one is thread safe, shipping for thread shipping. The fourth one is to heap space, strict the heap space. It means the uh, immutability of strings helps to minimize the uses of heap memory. And why string class is final in Java? uh, the reason behind string class is final because no one can override the method, so it can provide some features of new string objects as well as old ones. The main are heap space, to minimize the string immutability, helps to minimize the heap space, and the another one is for security purpose. While class loading, immutable string objects avoid further errors by loading the class, and this leads making the application program more secure. In banking software, we use username and password. It cannot be modified in order because the modification will be done by anyone. So strings are immutable. Here string concept, string objects is used. And for say in string object immutable, we don't have to take care of synchronization that is required while sharing an object across multiple threads. And then there are some features of string, why string is immutable. This is all about the why string is immutable. uh, Thank you.